So, ladies and gentlemen, this is my Asawa at Chaluko St. Wheels. Masaru, my tall glass of wine. Asapete, Abobidia, Ugabo. Hey!
I am Ojemenike Williams, aka DJ St. Wheels, #1 Firefinger, the whole of Nigeria. You know what I'm saying? So today is my traditional wedding day. Yes, when you look at me, you can see for yourself. We are going down to Nachi Inude, bring back a beautiful, lovely, tall glass of milk.
Precious one.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here for my brother, my goon, my day one nigga, DJ St. Wheels on your mom. So right about now is his day, and I've left everything I'm doing today just to be here for him and to cheer him up and be there with him on his beautiful day. So ladies and gentlemen, this is superstar DJ Synergy here. Nachi, we are coming.
She's the king of queens. She's the queen of queens. A queen of Kalicia, Kalicia.
I'm only the and I be piano one in the morning. What I go, Sana be me here. Came a coye, but don't do this shame. Tunga Funan do the well, yeah. But I should walk what I am. I will be Henny, but I don't watch her. Yeah, you guys should just come. I'm gonna shut it down today. Alright, go by the news for DJ Spain. Peace.
Release my powers. I'm about to release my powers. Abito sheka, kanduka kandusa, lebre la mandi, palebo senelebo. Abito sheka, dabus kabash, leva se fale, inda boski, babose. Banu benu benu benu.